guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in like a table in Google Forms. So you just basically have to screenshot it using your device, and I'm just going to then press add image here, or go to like add question, and here there's going to be like an image and you're going to just basically paste it there. Let me just quickly open my folders. I'm trying to like open it on the left side. Hold on, let me just see screenshots, and then I can just basically drag the photo in there. So let me just do that real quick, if I can just find the screenshotted table. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!